Okay, so this is just going to be a video about me just doing some butterfly or bellathon tricks. So this is mainly the really simple opening. Just do that, and that. The bad thing about it will hit your wrist or hand finger right here sometimes and it will hurt. Also, the main thing about bellathon or butterfly, you have to watch when you go like that, because all that weight will come and pinch your fingers down and hurt like shit. Also, some butterfly knife safety. Most people who have a butterfly knife already know that this is a safe handle. You're only supposed to grab this. And this is the bite handle. It's called the bite handle because you hold it, you're going to cut your hand. You usually have the latch on it or a pocket clip. So, yeah. And these are illegal in a lot of states. Not here though. So, yeah. Here's the simple opening. It's just 3-step like that. There's a move I do sometimes where you just flick it and then use some momentum to open. Like kind of a faster, no nonsense like opening. And this is my whale knife. I call it that because that's what it says on the blade. This whale knife has a little whale on it. You might be able to see that. Pretty good blade, only cost me a few dollars. Yeah. It's got a real nice design on it. And it's pretty good. Cheap starter butterfly knife. So, it's just my video, so please like, comment, and subscribe.